Today, we're taking your content creation skills to the next level with our 5 fantastic and easy tasks. You will be on your way to becoming a content creation pro, boosting your online presence and engaging your audience. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. I'm Kristina Stubblefield and I help you unleash your business's potential, boost your visibility, and maximize your time. We've already supercharged your website and refreshed your social media presence. Now, get ready to level up with week 3 for the January Jumpstart Challenge. This week, it's all about boosting your content creation skills and making your online presence shine even brighter. We've got 5 fantastic tasks lined up for you. And trust me, each one will bring you closer to becoming a content creation pro. And don't worry, there is still time to join the challenge. Anytime is a good time to work on your online presence. And even though we are doing this challenge together in January, you can do this anytime. You can always grab the checklist in the comments below. Now, let's dive right in. First up, let's start by showcasing your fantastic team. Gather your team members for a group photo. If you don't have a team, no worries. You can take center stage for this photo. Ensure you have good lighting and a clean background. And don't worry about what camera you're using. A smartphone works just fine. Once you've captured the perfect shot, you can use basic photo editing tools or apps to enhance it if needed. Then simply share it on your preferred social media platforms, along with a brief caption highlighting your team's awesomeness. Second up, if you haven't already, it's time to set up a Canva account. Canva is a powerful, free, and user friendly design platform that can transform your content creation. With Canva, you can easily design eye catching graphics, presentations, social media posts, and more. Go to Canva's website, sign up for a free account, and explore the platform. Canva offers various design templates and tools to create stunning graphics. Familiarize yourself with its features, and you'll be ready to design captivating visuals for your online presence. Now that you have your Canva account, we will move on to our third task. And it's time to create a social media graphic. Start by selecting the type of graphic you want to make, whether it's an Instagram post, Facebook cover, or any other format. Use Canva's user friendly drag and drop interface to add text, images, and other elements. Remember, simplicity is often what works best. So focus on a helpful tip or an inspiring quote. Once you're satisfied with your design, download it and share it on your social media channel. Task number 4 might sound intimidating, but I promise you, it's not as hard as you think. We're going to put on your writer's hat and write a brief top 5 blog post that relates to your industry or niche. This is where ChatGPT comes to the rescue. If you're struggling to come up with a topic for your blog post, ChatGPT can be your creative brainstorming partner. Simply provide some initial keywords or ideas, and ChatGPT can generate topic suggestions that are relevant to your field. Once you have a compelling topic in mind, it's time to outline your top 5 tips, trends, or insights. ChatGPT can help you structure your blog posts efficiently. You can use it to outline your post, ensuring a logical flow from the introduction to your top tips. It can even assist in crafting engaging headings and subheadings that captivate your readers. But we're not done yet. ChatGPT can also help you with the polishing phase. After you've written your content, you can run it through ChatGPT for proofreading and refinement. It can identify grammatical errors, suggest improvements for clarity, and provide a final polish to make your blog post shine. If you want to learn more about ChatGPT, you can check out my free training below. This is one tool that has the power to change your business. Now, for the final task of the week, convert your top 5 blog posts into a carousel post using Canva. Carousels allow you to break down your content into multiple slides, making it more digestible for your audience. Create eye catching visuals for each point in your blog post and arrange them in a sequence. Add concise captions or descriptions to accompany each slide. You can even use one of Canva's pre made templates to make this task even easier. Once your carousel is ready, you can share it on Instagram or other platforms that support this format. There you have it. 5 quick and impactful tasks for week 3 of the January Jumpstart Challenge. These tasks are your secret weapon to becoming a content creation pro and elevating your online presence. As you complete each task, remember that you're not just creating content, you're building connections, engaging your audience, and enhancing your brand's visibility. Feel free to share your creations online and tag me. I'd love to see what you come up with. Stay tuned for next week's task, where we'll continue our journey of supercharging your online presence. If you're eager to enhance your online presence, consider joining our program, Boost Online Visibility. It's tailor made for small businesses, providing actionable steps rather than just concepts. We're hands on in every module, ensuring you complete the task that genuinely set your business up for success. Our past students have loved this approach, and now it's your turn to experience the transformation. Learn more about Boost Online Visibility below and join the waitlist for updates on when we reopen the doors. If you want to learn more about how to use content, check out this video right here.